Let's dive into a world beyond today, an era where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. These are just 10 ways we could live in the future, each one more intriguing than the last. At number 10, we have smarter homes. Imagine a world where your home knows you better than you know yourself. It knows when you're about to wake up, and it prepares your coffee just how you like it. It knows when you're about to come home, and it's already adjusted the temperature to your liking. This is the future of smarter homes. They're not just about convenience. They're about enhancing our lives, making them more comfortable, more efficient, and even safer. With the integration of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, our homes could become our personal assistants, anticipating our needs and making our lives easier. But with these advancements come challenges. Privacy concerns and the potential for cyber attacks are just a few issues we'll need to address. Smarter homes could redefine our domestic life. They're not just a possibility, they're an inevitability, and they're closer than you might think. Coming up at number 9 is virtual reality. Imagine starting your day in Paris, taking a lunch break on the moon and winding down in the depths of the Pacific Ocean, all without leaving your living room. This is the potential of virtual reality. The technology has advanced leaps and bounds in the past few years, and it's set to revolutionize our lives. Think about the ways we work, for instance. Virtual reality could make remote working feel like you're in the office. You could collaborate with colleagues in a virtual space, making distance a non-issue. Then there's entertainment. Virtual reality could take gaming and movies to another level, creating immersive experiences that make you feel like you're in the action. But it doesn't stop there. VR could transform education, healthcare, and even social interactions. It's a brave new world out there, and virtual reality could blur the lines between the digital and physical world. Number 8 on our list is advanced AI. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is as common as smartphones are today. We're talking about AI that goes beyond answering questions and setting reminders. We're talking about AI that understands you, learns from you, and even anticipates your needs. Imagine having a personal assistant that knows your favorite music, your dietary restrictions, and how you like your coffee. An assistant that can help you manage your time, your finances, and even your health. But it doesn't stop there. Advanced AI could also revolutionize industries from healthcare to manufacturing, with robotics that can perform tasks with precision and efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. But perhaps the most intriguing possibility is that of companionship. What if AI could understand and reciprocate human emotions? What if it could provide companionship to those who are lonely or isolated? As we advance in our technological capabilities, AI could become our new best friend. Space travel takes the 7th spot. The final frontier, as it was once called, is rapidly becoming a reality for more than just astronauts. Imagine a future where you, yes you, can book a trip to the stars just as easily as you would a flight to another city. In this future, space travel is not just for the thrill seekers and the adventurous, but also for the scientists, the curious, and those who simply want to see the Earth from a different perspective. It's a future where we explore our solar system, learning more about our own planet by studying others. And it's not just about exploration. As resources on Earth become scarce, we could turn to space mining, harnessing the raw materials of asteroids and other celestial bodies. The concept of space travel may sound like something out of a futuristic sci-fi movie, but it's surprising to learn that several companies in our present time are actively working to turn this vision into reality. These companies include Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, Space Adventures, and SpaceX, led by CEO Elon Musk. Each of these companies has its own unique goals and achievements in the space industry. Make your next vacation to Venus or one of Jupiter's moons more than a sci-fi movie. At number 6, we have teleportation. Imagine if you could just blink and find yourself in a different location entirely. That's the concept of teleportation, a staple of science fiction narratives that has fascinated us for decades. But could this ever be a reality? The idea seems far-fetched, but there's a branch of physics, quantum mechanics, that hints at the possibility. Quantum teleportation, which involves transferring the properties of one particle to another, has already been achieved in laboratories. However, teleporting a human is a whole different ballgame. It would require breaking down a person into their smallest particles, transmitting them, and then reassembling them at the destination. The technical, ethical, and safety challenges are immense. But let's entertain the idea for a moment. If teleportation were possible, it would revolutionize travel. No more traffic jams, long flights, or even the need for vehicles. It could make the world seem much, much smaller. Halfway through our list at number 5 is immortality. It's a concept that has fascinated humanity since the dawn of time, and it might just be within our grasp in the future. Imagine a world where advanced medicine has evolved to such an extent that we can halt or even reverse the aging process. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But what if we take it a step further? What if we could upload our consciousness to a digital platform, effectively allowing us to live forever in a virtual world? The implications are mind-boggling. It's not just about living for an eternity, but about redefining what it means to be human. However, with such a revolutionary concept, there are bound to be ethical implications. Would immortality create a divide between those who can afford it and those who can't? What would it mean for our sense of identity or the natural cycle of life and death? Could we live forever? Coming in at number 4, augmented humans. Imagine a world where the line between man and machine becomes blurrier every day. This is the realm of augmented humans. We're not just talking about physical enhancements like prosthetics or bionic eyes, but a future where our very biology could be enhanced. Imagine being able to tweak your genes to resist diseases or to enhance your physical strength or mental acuity. Or what about a world where nanobots in our bloodstream could repair our bodies at a cellular level? This isn't just science fiction. Scientists are already making headway in these areas, and the possibilities are endless. But with these advancements come ethical and philosophical questions. What does it mean to be human in a world where we can modify our very essence? The prospect of becoming superhuman is thrilling and terrifying in equal measure. As we push the boundaries of what's possible, we also redefine what it means to be human. Could we become superhumans? Sustainable living takes the 3rd spot on our list. The future holds not only technological advancements, but also a shift in our lifestyle, one that embraces sustainability. As we move forward, there's a growing awareness that our resources are finite and that our actions have a profound impact on our planet. In the future, we could see a world where homes are powered by renewable energy, where waste is minimized through recycling and composting, and where food is grown locally in vertical farms, reducing our carbon footprint. We might experience a shift in our transportation habits too, favoring electric vehicles and public transportation over fossil fuel-driven personal vehicles. The clothes we wear could be made from sustainable materials, and our diets might lean towards plant-based, reducing the strain on our environment. As we evolve and invent, we also need to preserve and protect. The future of sustainable living could redefine our relationship with the environment, making us more conscious, more responsible. Could we live in harmony with nature? Only time will tell. Number 2 on our list is universal basic income. Let's take a moment to ponder over this concept. Imagine a world where every individual, regardless of their employment status, receives a guaranteed income. This is the premise of universal basic income, often abbreviated as UBI. In a society where automation and artificial intelligence are increasingly replacing traditional jobs, UBI could be a potential solution to the impending job crisis. It might provide a safety net, ensuring everyone can meet their basic needs. But it's not without its challenges. Questions arise about its sustainability and the potential for inflation. Would it disincentivize work, or would it free people to pursue their passions and creativity without the stress of financial insecurity? UBI is a provocative idea that challenges our traditional understanding of work and compensation. It's an idea that's gaining traction, and one that could dramatically reshape our society. Could money become a thing of the past? And finally, at number 1, 3D printer at home. Picture this, a world where the phrase "do it yourself" takes on a whole new meaning, where we could literally print anything we needed right in our homes. The idea of 3D printers becoming a common household item is not as far-fetched as it might have sounded a decade ago. From toys to tools, from furniture to food, we could potentially create anything we need at the touch of a button. This could revolutionize consumerism as we know it, Instead of buying mass-produced items, we could create personalized, tailor-made objects. This could also have a significant impact on manufacturing. If we can create what we need when we need it, the demand for mass-produced items could reduce, potentially leading to more sustainable consumption practices. Of course, there are challenges to consider, like the cost of 3D printers, the materials required, and the skills needed to design and print items. But with technological advancements and cost reductions, this could become a reality sooner than we think. Could we print our needs at home? The answer might just be a resounding yes. In the not-so-distant future, the future holds endless possibilities. We've given you a glimpse of 10 ways we could live in the future. It's a brave new world out there, and it's up to us to shape it. The future is in our hands, unless we won't make it to the future. If you want to explore the darker possibilities of the future, check out this video right here.